Do you have trouble getting stains out of your carpet? Enzyme's the answer. Let me tell you how. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Shane with S&S Auto Supply. Today we're going to talk about two different enzymes. One is 709 Stinger. It is a concentrated enzyme. You take a 32-ounce bottle, you add 5 ounces of water, you fill it up. Once you mix it with water, you have 7 days to use it. It's a 7-day shelf life. So I tell my customers, make it on a Monday, and the next Monday, if there's anything left over, dump it out and make a new bottle. The other enzyme is an aerosol, Stinger 604. It's a new product. It is a upside down sprayer for carpet, so you can fan a big area at once. It is an enzyme that is in its ready to use form in the aerosol can. Once it hits the carpet and the stains, then it starts to break down. The reason you use enzymes is they are a stain remover for protein related stains. So in other words, anything grown from the body, grown from the ground, it's a protein stain. The enzyme will break down the stain and help remove it. There's a couple ways you can apply enzyme. One is just in a basic 32-ounce bottle with a spray head. Fill your bottle up with enzyme, fill it up with water. You can do a stream or a mist. There is this product here that you can use, the battery operated Tornador. Put in your 5 ounces, fill it up with water. You can control the mist and the stream by the dial on the side. Or there's this foamer that you can add your enzyme, pump it up. They make two different style sprayers. One is a sprayer that does a stream and a mist, and there's another one that's a foam that sits on the top and bubbles away down into the surface. Kind of like the aerosol can, that's doing the same thing. 5 to 15 minutes is general standard time, but I tell people if you can spray it ahead of time and you got a good hour, it will sit and break down the stain for that hour until the stain is either gone or the enzyme dries up, then it dies off. If you've had a car with mice in it, get rid of the mouse nest and then saturate your inside with one of the two enzymes. Generally, I use this with this tool here because you're atomizing the enzyme. You can get it spread out evenly. I tell people do under the seat, do under the dash, do the headliners. If you can go up to the air conditioner vents, if you got a car in the spring with a stinky, musty smell, take this and fog it right into the vents. The enzyme will attach itself to the walls of the plastic and away at that musty smell that's in there. You can use this in your car, couches, homes, even laundry.